Howdy folks, we're back. We're going to try something different today. Not so much repair it as take care of it. Okay, so here we go. Look at this little puppy. This is from a days gone by. It's a Craftsman, not a reciprocating saw, one of these saws that come out here and goes to scroll saw. Electric. It used to have a wire come off the back. 115 volts ACD saber saw, they called it. Simpson Sears used to make it. Sears, Roebuck and Company. They all went bankrupt, and everybody lost their pensions, and the CEOs made big money and ran off with it all. I am going to take it apart, dismantle it, destroy it, take the motor out of there, take the copper out of the motor. There's copper pieces, there's copper wiring. This is aluminum, I think. We're going to put a tester on that. I don't know where to fucking put that part. Brought everything up except for that. Sometimes the devil runs the day, you notice that? Sometimes the devil takes over and looks after the day and just runs your life over. I think you're going to get me, eh? You get the magnet and you test it. Whoa, see the magnet sticks to that? The magnet sticks to that. So this is steel. Sticks to it. This doesn't. See? That doesn't stick. Whoa. So that's aluminum. The thing about aluminum, if you ever hit something funny and say electrical cord, the aluminum would take the shock right through your skin, right to your heart, kill you. So aluminum, we get this off the market. Okay. Wow, there it goes. See, that just fell right off. Boom. Just pops right open. Okay, so here's that motor. Out, because then you can save all that little bit of copper that's in that wire, because we're going to strip that too. Okay, final thing, we're going to scrap this puppy. And then we pull that out. As I said before, there are faster methods. Okay, so we're done.